Hello, the website that I will be evaluating today is lilybean.com. This is a bathroom and tiles e-commerce website, and I will be evaluating it. The five sectors that will be evaluated within this website are user interface design, usability, aesthetic design, typography, and overall user experience. So I'll be evaluating that in this video. So when talking about user interface design, this is mainly about the process of making interfaces uh, looking good, and you're focusing on the looks and the style rather than the actual software design of it. So in regards to Lily Bain's website, straight off the bat, I personally noticed the logo in the top left is a navy dark blue shade, and the background banner is black. And then throughout the page, you notice there's white, there's light blue, there's green, then red. There's a few different variant of colors. I believe that throughout the website, rather than this black banner here, there should just be different variant colors of the blue, different shades throughout, to keep a bit of consistency through the website and a bit of continuity. So looking at the top right hand corner here, the contact number is very blunt and blatant. It's way bigger than the rest of the text around it. It is bright red, and it's a white background. This is obviously wrong. I believe to be wrong. It doesn't look professional and good. It just looks very untidy and sloppy. So I'd recommend getting rid of the white background here, making the font or the font just regular. The typeface should be the same as around it, and it should be a white text like the text around it. Another thing that I noticed with the website is this second picture here, the greenish one, is cut off when you enter the website. I believe that looking at professional websites, that this image here should be the full size, and there should be no cutoff after this fold. So then once you scroll down, then you see this picture and this picture and so on. I believe it looks more professional if this picture was the full size of just up until the fold. I believe that it would look far more professional, and that so I would recommend making this picture bigger and improving the resolution of the picture so it's good, nice and clear, just to make the website look more professional and more sleek, in my opinion. So this banner at the top here, with all the categories and my account, my wish list, the number, search bar, I feel there's too much going on in this corner. It's very cluttered. I would recommend maybe moving this search bar here over to here, loads of room on this banner, onto the logo. It would look very clear. It's still very easy to find for the user, and I think it would be more suitable over here. And then once you decrease the size of this number, also there'll be more room, more space between all the text here, making it easier to read for the user. So moving on to the usability of a website, this is more so about making sure that the website is easy to use and ensuring that the user achieves their goal with ease. So on the product page, just because I'm using screencast here, it doesn't really have the full effect of the hover over, but if I click on the price, it disappears, which is similar to the hover over when not using and recording a screencast. So the price just disappears on these products, which isn't ideal for when a user is trying to buy this product, maybe purchase it. If the price disappears, it would lead to the user not trusting the website maybe and not purchasing off it. So this is a huge usability negative. So another usability issue on this website is if I am to maybe add this product to my cart, I select the icon and the icon disappears. There's no feedback. There's no feedback with this. Say I'm just selecting the icon, so it needs to be a lot clearer. There should be maybe a pop-up to insinuate that this product has been added to the cart. Another usability error with this, or issue with this website, is these arrows that should be scrolling through products here don't do anything, don't work. So this could leave a user confused, or so you need to fix that issue. So once I've hopefully selected these products and put them into my cart, say I want to view the cart, so I click my cart, click this, and this shopping cart fate layer, just a blank page, doesn't show the items within it. So I would recommend that they obviously fix this, but if there is an error, there should be a clearer fate layer error 404 page displaying that it isn't the user's fault and that it is the fault of the website. So another issue with this website is that if I want to view my cart, say, I click this, so this image comes up, shows me the price, whatever that is in the cart, fair enough. So typically you should just be able to scroll away, maybe even click just other places in other websites. This isn't true for this website. You have to click the My Trolley again. I just find this very inconvenient, being a user of a lot of other websites, and I think other users would find this inconvenient too. And yeah, especially if they were repeat business, they would have to relearn the using of this process every time. So back on the home page, just to show you a bit of navigation throughout the website. So I personally found whilst using this that it took me, the breadcrumbs are here, but they're a bit unclear. So I would recommend that the font should be possibly in bold, and the typeface should, the font's clear, so it should be just a darker color, maybe dark black, just to make it clear for the user, so there is no confusion about the navigation throughout the website. A final point about usability in this website, I cannot show it here, but I have personal experience using it through the mobile device, and it just isn't applicable. The images don't resize properly, the categories and the menus just don't resize, so it's just not applicable, and I would recommend sorting this out as the mobile device internet usage is increasing day on day. So aesthetic design is in regards to the visual means of effects such as colors, typography, design, pictures, video clips, and flash animations within a website. So as previously mentioned, I would have the one color scheme throughout the website in line with the logo, so different shades of blue. So typography is the art and technique of arranging type, and type obviously meaning letters and characters. So in regards to typography throughout this website, there are multiple used, like there's one, there's another type, there's another type, another type. I find that throughout websites there should be a consistent typeface. There should just be one. I would personally recommend Times New Roman or Helvetica. This is because it's a serious typeface with bathrooms and tiles. There's not too much fun with it. It should be serious. And they're generally accepted and are compatible with most computers. Another issue in regards to typeface is within the search bar. So and typography. So all this that comes up is very unclear and it's a bit confusing. So I would recommend that there should be a clearer typeface. There should be more space between the titles of these things, just so that it's less confusing for the user. And finally, just going back to the breadcrumbs again, the typography within them. I would make it more distinct. I would make it clear, as in I would make a black, possibly against the white background, black color of the type. Maybe the font, you could change it to bold to make it a bit more standout also. So finally, the overall user experience. User experience is concerned with all aspects of the user's experience when interacting with the website. So overall, with this website, I feel like it's been negative. So the main function of this website is e-commerce. And when I press checkout, fate layer, also just the whole thing about the pricing, it makes it very difficult to purchase on this website, and it's not very appealing looking, to be honest. It wouldn't attract me to come back. So the overall user experience is very negative, I feel, with this website.